on the run, yeah. Beauty on the run, yeah. Yeah. Beauty on the run, yeah. 23 hours staring at these walls, listening every night as another voice calls. Steel door slam, every echo cuts deep. Caught in every sunrise I was never allowed to keep. Dreaming of the wind on my face once more, dreaming of a life outside these doors. They couldn't lock away my soul, they couldn't steal my fire. Every day I held on tight, waiting for the moment to rise. I'm a beautiful woman on the run, chasing freedom, chasing the sun. No more chains holding my heart. Today's the day my life will start. Windows down, the music loud. No prison walls, no angry crowd. Every mouth feels so alive. I'm finally free, I'm gonna survive. Gray concrete, cold morning air. Learning not to trust, learning not to care. Letters from home kept hope alive. Promising myself one day I'd drive. Every tear became my straight, every setback pushed me one more step. Now the skyline calls my name. Nothing's ever gonna be just beautiful woman on the run, chasing freedom, chasing the sun. No more bars between my dreams. Life is brighter than it seems. Heart still racing, soul on fire. Leaving every fence and wire. I'm not turning back again. Goodbye to the life I lived back then. I can feel the warm breeze on my skin, like my whole life begins again. No more numbers, no more fear, just an open road from here. The rearview mirror holds my past, but freedom's moving way too fast. Every heartbeat says it's true, the world is waiting for something new.